Hello and welcome to our first video from the BackupBros. Today I want to show you how easy it is to catch your Office 365 credentials and why humanity is our biggest problem in security. In my, let's say, systems engineer life, I have a lot of discussions with customer if it's really necessary to back up, for example, Office 365, it's a cloud service, it's high availability behind it and so on. And I want to show you how easy it is to gain access to your Office 365, to manipulate your Office 365 data. Doesn't matter if it's your mail account, your OneDrive, your SharePoint, whatever. And yeah, why backup is absolutely necessary. So let's start. Imagine you receive an email from one of your colleagues, one of your partners, any kind of trusted person with attachment or a link. Let me show you some examples how this can look like. Just a very short example. You can find our meeting notes and so on. So yeah, why should I not click on this link? It's from one of my colleagues and he wants to share some files with me. Very simple. So what the colleague cannot see in his first look is if you do a mouse over on this link, it's a different domain in the background. So it's a completely faked link. As a victim, and I would click on the link, I open something completely else, not what I expect. So what happened in the background? I set up a complete phishing appliance based on evil chinks, and there are a lot of different templates where you can run fake web pages. They look really the same like the original web page, and you will not recognize that you are completely wrong page if you're not that deep into this topic. So as your normal employees, I would say about 80 or 90% will not see that this is a fake page. In this appliance, we can run this different fishlets. For example, in my case, Office 365, to demonstrate how easy it is to gain access to your Office 365 account. And we have our, let's say, lures. Lures are the fake links in the background who will start simulating the web page and start collecting our data as soon as someone clicks on the link. So I will copy the link and insert this in my test environment. So as you can see, that's the fake link without any fake name. Normally you click on the link directly and the browser will pop up. You will not recognize, hey, wait, that's not a Microsoft login URL. So it's a completely different. But it completely looks like a Microsoft one. So let's start entering our login data. Let me just pick a victim name and a victim password. And before I press enter, I will show you what happens in the background. Our phishing appliance already saw, hey, there is someone with that kind of browser who followed our link. So let's press sign in, and as you can see, we collect the complete password and username plain text. So for now you will maybe say, yeah, standard login is not state of the art. It's more a multi-factor authentication topic. Yes, you're right, but you will see this in the next step. So let's say, yes, I want to stay login. As soon as I'm on the web page, and as you can see there happens a lot of redirects. I'm now in the origin Office 365 environment. My URL is still the wrong one, so still the fake one. but hey, it looks like my data, so it should be something real. What the appliance says in the background, we cached all authorization tokens intercepted. So, which means we can jump into our session. So, which means our login session. Let's jump into session 11 in my case, and we collect the whole authentication as a cookie. So also if you use multi-factor authentication, we can use this cookie as an attacker, copy this and enter the cookie with a very simple trick. For example, we can use Google Chrome with an add-in. It's called Edit My Cookie, where we can just import a random cookie. So now the cookie with all the credentials is within the browser. Let's go to login.microsoft.com. And the browser used our copied cookie to log in directly without any password, anything else. So imagine now you are in the system of one of your victims. The thing is, for sure now you can delete or encrypt the user data, do the normal ransomware stuff, or yeah, just use his data. Imagine you will access his mailbox. You have his complete address book and you can write emails under his name. So you can spread your attack in a very short time in a huge amount of attacks. And a lot of people will click on the link. You can just create normal emails again without any suspicious attachments, because you just need some links. You write the emails under victim's name. The people's out of his mailbox or out of his address book trust him or her, and you will collect a mass amount of credentials. So as you can see, it's very simple to access the Office 365 account. You can do whatever you like, spread more, and we still have in the background all session data and can very easily manage this. So I hope I can show how easy it is to collect mass amount of data with plain text passwords, like in this case, and that it's absolutely necessary why you need a backup also for Office 365. The thing is, it's not a Microsoft security issue or something like this. I don't want to blame Microsoft, because what we are doing here is we have created a completely fake page, a completely copy of the Office 365 portal from Microsoft. So this is not a security issue, don't get me wrong. It's a simulated, completely fake one. And that's what you can see. So I hope you learned how easy it is to get Office 365 credentials and how you should secure you and your employees. Maybe learn and train your employees about this topic. Please double check the links you're clicking on, and yeah, see every email in first as suspicious email, and yeah, just be aware whatever you're doing within the cloud or within your email setup. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more and see you soon.